one of the questions of equation with bracket. So we have 3x minus the bracket open. 3, we have a small bracket, 1 plus x minus 2x, everything gives us 3. So we must expand the bracket before solving any problems, which we have 3x minus. So the 1 plus s is a bracket of inner, so which we must able to expand first, which we have 3 plus 3x minus 2x, it gives us 3. So we still have to continue to rearrange the inner bracket, which we have. Now let's consider these two, which is 3x minus 2x will give us x. We have a 3 plus x is equal to 3. So with this, we now expand by minus, which we have minus 3 minus x is equal to 3. So let's try to collect like terms from this, which we have 3x minus x minus 3. It gives us 3. So this will surely give us 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. So let's try to make this minus 3 to cross to the other side, which we have 2x is equal to 3 plus 3. We have 2x is equal to 6. Now, by making x as a subject to the formula, let's divide both sides by 2, which we have 2x to divide by 2 and 6 to divide by 2, telling us that our x is equal to 3. So if x is equal to 3, let's try to have a very good example. Like we have 2, let's say example 2. We have 2 is equal to 5 on 2, 5z minus 2 minus 9 on 2, 3z minus 2. So we'll be expanding the brackets one by one. 5 to multiply 5z will give us 25z minus 10 minus 9 times 3 will give us 27z plus 18. Now we try to collect like terms to make it easy to solve. That is 27z. Now we have minus 10 plus 18. So we are able to collect the like terms from that angle, which we have minus 2z. So minus 10 plus 18 will surely give us plus 8. Now, in view, we'll try to make it meaningful to have 2z is equal to 8 minus 2. When it's crossing an equality sign, the sign will surely change. So therefore, we have 2z is equal to 6. Where let's divide both sides by 2. We have our z, which will now be 6 over 2, which gives us 3. So that is telling you that our z is 3. But in overall, let's just try to have another example again that can make us to have a kind of confirmations of everything that we are doing. We have a better understanding of all what we are doing. So this is another meaningful example that we can able to solve and to solve more problems rather than this. So therefore, we have, let's expand the bracket first to have 12x minus 4 is equal to 11x. Now minus 3x plus, because minus 3 times plus 4 times minus 4 give you plus 12. So in view of this, the right side let's try to rearrange the right side very well to have 8x plus 12. Now, a proper way of collecting the like terms, we now say that 12x minus 8x give us 12 plus 14. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of video. So 12x minus 8x usually give us 4x is equal to 16. So we divide both sides by 4. Try to have something like this. So this we cancel this. So our x will give you 4. So that is how we solve an equation with bracket. So let's try to have this as class work, which you are going to work and send to me in the comment sections, or for those who have solve the following. Just understand. So 1, we have a 5 onto a plus 2 minus 3 onto 3a minus 5 is equal to 1. 2 is a 7 onto 5n minus 4 minus 10 on 3n minus 2 is equal to 0. Or let's just have the third one. Say d is equal to 12 minus 11 plus 4d. So you solve it one by one to know maybe exactly you really get what we are doing. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.